presenter is Nigel Brown, is that correct?
That's right.
Good.
Ladies and gentlemen, mesdames et messieurs, it is a great pleasure to be able to introduce AVIA technology to this conference. AVIA's business is to commercialise the process developed at the University of Manchester for the removal and destruction of aqueous organics. In particular, those difficult to treat organics that are toxic, coloured and non-biodegradable. The process is robust, novel and practical, and has been described by one of our collaborators as the holy grail of water treatment, a system that provides on-site treatment with no secondary wastes and can be operated chemical-free. This technology is based on two key elements. It's based on a novel, highly conducting and sorbent material that is capable of electrochemical regeneration, and we've combined that in a treatment unit whereby we can do simultaneous and continuous adsorption and electrochemical regeneration. As well as achieving effective treatment, this technology offers significant cost benefits compared to competing technologies. Its novelty has been recognised by awards for innovation from the Royal Society of Chemistry and the Institute of Chemical Engineers. An independent review of the technology by Hyder Consulting Limited concluded that the innovation had potential to be disruptive in the marketplace with costs of approximately half of GAC, its most similar competitive technology. The AVIA process is a platform technology. It has potential across many applications and means that it is not limited to a single market. It is therefore a business with a truly global potential. In the UK, AVIA has identified sectors ranging in size from 5 to 200 million where we can apply the technology. To apply the technology, AVIA has developed a three-pronged commercialisation strategy. Early commercialisation into groundwater remediation and industrial wastewater treatment, engaging with the water and wastewater companies looking at medium and longer term opportunities, and collaborative research with the universities and industrial partners into further application areas. AVIA was recently named as a Global Clean Tech 100 company as assessed by hundreds of clean tech experts around the world. In addition, AVIA has received UK Carbon Trust Incubator status, a recognition awarded to around 80 companies who are developing technology likely to invest is very welcome. Thank you very much for the opportunity to address the conference.
Thank you very much. Second pitch for money, I think. So the next finalist is from Nanotemper Technologies, spin out of the Ludwig Maximilian University in Munich, and the presenter is Stefan Dohr. Over to you, Stefan.
My name is Stefan Dohr, I'm co-founder of Nanotemper Technologies, and I want to start this describing the company by quoting a report on drug development, which simply states that 50% of the drugs fail in clinical trials because they prove to be not effective. And why is that the case? One main reason is that molecules are characterized in artificial conditions and not physiological conditions, meaning that you characterize your molecules in a buffer instead of blood, for example, and that you couple them to a surface instead of measuring in free solution. And Nanotemper Technologies provides a solution for these problems. We provide the means for measuring activity and affinity of molecules directly in blood serum and cell lysate and free solution. We start to access the market with our new technology. The first thing we did after funding the company in 2008 was to provide service to companies. And right now we have 10 pharmaceutical companies which are globally active, like Roche, for example, Sandoz or MorphoSys. And we have about twice the number of companies from biotech and academic research as customers for services we provide. In the next months to come, we will shift the focus of the business model towards sales of instruments. What you see here on the left is the first medium throughput system we built, and of this series which is kind of pilot series. We will sell 10 instruments starting in January 2010. And what we also prepared, you see on the right, is a high throughput instruments using our technology, which aims at the pharmaceutical industry. So to compare, on the left, this instrument will be capable of analyzing 15 samples in 10 minutes, and the instrument on the right will analyze 1,000 samples in an hour. This is the throughput we got there. I want to give you a few facts on the company. So it was, as I said, founded in 2008. Then we got a seed investment early a month after founding the companies. We have right now 3 patents applications on this technology we developed and 7 employees. And with the service which we mainly did in 2009, we were able to get a revenue and turnover of 80,000 euros. And we expect to sell 10 of our instruments in the next 12 months to come.
And last but by no means least, we have Resmon, which is a spin-out of Politecnico di Milano, and it's Raffaele Dell'Arca, I think, talking to us.
Good morning, my name is Raffaele Dell'Arca from Politecnico di Milano University and Resmon. We focus our research and attention on chronic respiratory diseases, which are not very well known today to most of people, but actually they affect more than 200 million people worldwide, and are causing 3 million of deaths every year. They are diseases which are irreversible, they are invalidating, slow progressing, and they are often characterized by exacerbations, which are periods of symptoms worsening, which are the possibility to early detect exacerbations would allow early treatment, allowing the reduction of severity of the episodes, avoiding hospitalizations, and improving patients' quality of life. Unfortunately, today there are no technology available for the detection of exacerbation because spirometry is not automatic. It requires patient collaboration and the performance of special maneuvers, and the measurements are reliable only if performed with the presence of appropriate person. We invented and patented a new technology which is based on the application of a small pressure vibration produced by a standard loudspeaker to patient's mouth during breathing, which has the advantage of being fully automatic. They does not require any kind of maneuvers and is suitable for unsupervised self-testing and telemedicine application. We were able in a few months to develop a first prototype, which is now used by patients. And the use of this device may have a huge impact on the expenses for the national healthcare system. These diseases are associated to very high costs. We are talking about more than 100 billion euros per year in Europe. And we can provide a reduction of costs, which is very significant for the national healthcare provider, even after considering the cost of our services. In this technology, we think that this technology will be able therefore to improve healthcare, but also, and most important, to improve patients' quality of life. Thank you.